There are people, they did not do anything to you. They've never mentioned your name in any way. They did not do anything. Then you just come out. Say that this person, I swear to God, you that wants to tarnish my image on social media. Let me tell you people something. You people should stay away from me. Stay away from me. You people should stay away from me. Igbo, you people should, now you guys are now pushing me back to Ndugu. Yes. I'm married here. I'm with them. But I give all my time to Igbo. Carry Ndugu self. But now, I've removed all my time. If I'm doing anything now, it's Nalugwa Usa Kamgane. I don't want to be friends with anybody, not on social media. I have my friends outside the world. If I know you're on social media, I don't want to be friends with you. I don't want to be anything with you. I don't want. Because this set of people are on social media. When you're talking with them, they are recording you. Why? Oh, how to put you on record. So I don't want to be friend. I don't want to be attached to anybody. I don't want anybody. When you give them face, they will come and insult you and bully you. What I'm not here. There are so many things like my Igbo brothers, my Igbo sisters. Only in Abuja, they can call me and anything. We can be sisters, we can be brothers, we can be good friends. But I'm running away from everyone. So I'm no longer doing my ihendi bo ihendi wanne. Ubazo ndi Hausa kama na aga na eme ihendi Hausa ihendi wanne. I chom anything with ihendi bo. I don't want it. It's all about nonsense. Abia ewete gina mmadụ na-ekwu the next day o were the other phone na-record gị echi na ọbịa sị mụ na Mariam kukwe nka mụ na mmadụ na ibe ya ama mkpazi nkata again. So ndị Igbo nọrọ n'onwe unu, because I know why I'm saying this. There are unu maka nsi eme ihe a ndị mmadụ na-achọ ka m kwuo na I will not say it, but let circulation be circulating everywhere. But me, I'm not going to say anything. But according to this four set of people, come on, God forgive her and Elowa. Come on, ma forgive her, and when we can forgive her until authority people her. Ogechi Okeke Njaka myself, in the sense that Ogechi Njaka at a point, I forgive Ogechi from my mind, right from the day my from na phone. I forgive her, but not that na case anyị adịghị on. Ụmụ ya na shi bupụrụ mmadụ n'obi gị. Bupụ ya n'obi gị. Gị bupụ mmadụ na. Ụmụ ya gashi na ibu mmadụ n'obi. Na-akparị. Na ụmụ ya gashi ibupụrụ mmadụ n'obi. Mana gị na onye ahụ ka enwere case na court ma ọkwanị na authority. Nke a dị iche. But to this set of people, enweghị m ike ibupụ ha n'obi himself. I want me keep bupu hanobim. Anybody that is bullying me, I'm let them continue. But the more you're doing, the more I'm watching, I'm seeing it. You guys cannot say that in men and social media I don't see. I see some, I don't see some, because I'm not always online. That will make 2-3 days now, but I'm online. But that does not mean him guys. Totally, I don't come across some things. I know many people are not tagging. This is my page. Whatever, many times when people tag me, I used to click it. I will not lie to you guys. And click here. Obuba me ba tag them. No nonsense. I don't watch them. I don't watch anybody again, because it's just all about nonsense. And my intention is like, let all these things stop. Let all these things stop. Ogechi went so far with me. I told Ogechi, leave me alone on the way. Yaju. I even sent someone, this lady, police, I sent her, I told her, please go and beg this person for me. Tell her to leave me. The more I sent for begging 2 times, the more she continues. I'm not begging because now I'm gaming or whatever. No. But then, I don't want all these things. She still continued. And I told her, you have gone far. The time he put her name, mom, he said that I gave video to mom, getting in social media. Now I still saw one name. You know, there are sometimes if you pushes them to the extent that I just have to stand up and do my best to make sure that authority will be in between me and you. And this is where it is today. This is where it is today. So because ndị Igbo mụnwa alụọla ka ike ha m. I have tried, I have fought, I have done this single-handedly. Nobody gave me kobo, nobody gave me any con. It's not since you were Mata Mariam, it's not to go any contact, in to go somebody's number against this Ogechi's case. Potabe abia wetonya hinyanam number. Moisni in anybody's contact, Missni in your kobo, 1 naira. Mo anyone's contact against this case. Pota, come and say it, come and show the world. Nobody. Only my brother, intelligence scholar, he's just there for me. When they say being there for someone, oh, when I see you want one name around what the case is all about. They have their own case with her separately. They have their own case in a different department, in a different place. But this is somebody I know, he's a brother. He is indeed a brother. Apart from him, nobody. Nobody. But this is something I stood firm. Maka ordinam magi, ordinam mamu onwenkem. Onye gara police, onye chọrọ ka case, ka ekpechie. Onye were okwu gawa court, gawa police, onye chọrọ ka udochia. Yes. And sometimes, agara police, ikpe ma mmadụ, ma agara court, ikpe ma mmadụ. Onye agawa prison. Onye gacha prison fụta. Ya dị ya mma ichange, ya change. Ma ọ na-ekwana ya mma ichange, ya continue. That's why they have the law. But onye ọ na-akpọrọ mmadụ gawa prison, wu onye chọrọ ka emejie paramount prison. Sorry, my dear people. Onye kpọrọ mmadụ gawa authority, onye chọrọ ka emejie case. That I'm going to authority because he came to abia akonu adehim. Emwe came to akonu. It's not even me. And when there are people looking up to me. And when I can't put alamana bashono. No, I can't do that. That's why when I came out talking in this country, I'm that yes, it's at the favor of my people. My people say they want to go, let them go. And also I was talking, the economy was so my Buhari regime or they had the carrier and get to number. I had to come out. And before I'm stop talking about the kind of situation in Nigeria is on email. Because my husband was like Ejishike, I had to stop it. But when one intends to stop, I had to stop it. Ejishike, oh Jesus, oh no, I had to stop it. Ejishike. So let me tell you guys something. Uno happen maka. Uno where nke na emeni now. Where matter. And in can emekweni now. Fact, uno happen maka. Another person na ha walamo. Another person na ha walamo. Na gafe boundary. I wonder how many people will come to Nigeria. They will not bully you. When they go back to their base, they will start bullying the person. Uno hapo mako unwe onye njinke ya. Nam na eyefe na pụta social media. Unu chọrọ unu agbawa ọtọ pụta social media ọ gbasara unu. Aga m address ku unu. Otam no na I cannot wear trousers, I cannot wear skirts. I can't dress like many of you. This is the only way I'm dressed. I'm happy. They presentable. Otam, this is Abuja. If you dress guy onyara, they will see you as a responsible person. This is not. Your dressing matters. Your appearance matters. And in the real life, the reality of life, your appearance, the way you appear, that's how people will present you. So that is it. You people should leave me alone. Ichi dress wakamu. Naya, this aqua now is 340,000. Super Hollandaise. So you go and buy it. The sewing, I'm sewing it 180,000. You go and sew it and wear it. This fan, I want to get check here. Mbomire fan last. I think I don't repeat clothes, but I did today. If I remember, I think last year December. That was when I wore this clothes. And this is the second time I'm wearing it again. When you about me, you guys are right. But I come to realize this is a space where everybody will talk in here. People will say, I'm not stopping any one of you. But I'm like that. That's why when I back out tomorrow, I will win you people that gagarere ganoni me I will na case warranty gaga. You guys will go enter gacha gapota. When I'm that now, yes, this social media, there are things that you're not supposed to be doing. You can't be playing with mental health. People's mental health. Udukan ka ha bịara na ashigide ma ashi na mbịara mụ na nwoke ga-adina na Transcorp mụ na nwoke ga-adina na so place. Unu ajụkwara mgbe ahụ unu na-atụgide ma ashi a nwaanyị akwa nna o chege echiche nwụọ ma o chege BP nwụọ ma ọ na ahụ ka ebie ya nwụọ mmechi unu ihe I swear to God mmechi unu ihe under the court of law ma megide unu ihe unu aba ime prison. I no go come am ga hafu unu mgbabiri kwa nkwa am and ya wuru na ashiku unu tugidere m unu agama fact you people your end I'm happy that it's playing. I'm happy the way everything is playing. Kama na ha the kama is just surrounding. Ndị niile no kugidem ka ha megidem ịma onye nwu nothing muna have not gone as far as what you're saying. Ndị niile kwuru ne ka ha megidem the karma has just generated from 80 to 2. They are just throwing it against themselves. This is karma. Ebe biara na jim na akọ just because of words. What I don't know for you. I've never offended you. I've never done you anything wrong. I've never defamed your character. I've protected even when people want to know what I don't know. I've never done anything to you. I've never done anything to you. They just keep talking nonsense about me. I've been on this case. Nobody knows how I'm faring. Nobody knows what I'm spending. Nobody knows my health. Nobody knows what I'm going through. Why don't you man anything? Only what I even open out to tell. Maybe if I feel I want to tell you something, what I tell you. But anything but Ogechi, nobody knows anything about it except in Young. If I don't tell you, you will not know. Ogechi, I want to say some more like Ogechi won a case. Ogechi won a case with different people. But here basatara case in Interpol. If I don't tell anybody, nobody will know. If I did not call you and tell you, you can't know. But still, they came out. They said all sort of things. Hi, Jimo. Mananso bad. This same somebody who not quite here. Na Kairi, na Kukwemu, what the same person, but the same person Biakwarane na point voice, even with her voice note, she voiced everything. Now one ebe Ogechi no, where the one gets Ogechi among you people not quite here now. Among you people, and the voice is with me. And because I'm not a stupid person like many of you, each time you call my name, each time you say all sort of things about me, each time you could about me to the extent I have your video where you say this woman bukwa 8 now, you don't know me. You said it. When you hear me that's why I'm just ya wuru na una megede him here. mji ofu onye ji example under the court of law, under the authority. Ji ofu onye ji example under the court of law. Unu enwe ike hapụ m aka. And displaying, all of you are seeing it. Onye achọkwa ịhapụ m aka, unu jishikwa m aka ike. The more unu ejikwa m, the more m na-echekwa unu. Unu mecha m, because you can't come on social media and do me all this akaja. Mecha m ihe ndị a niile. Give feel na m ga-agba nkịtị. Ịlọta Nigeria, aga m akpọrọ gị police. You are lying. You are deceiving yourself. That's why unu na-eme m this silent. Mgbe ahụ unu na-eme that thing, m ga-anọrọ na-aga authority na-egosichicha ha ihe unu na-eme. Ma nke m ma nke ndị ọdọ. You guys will be there calling me to the extent onwe this same lady nọkwara here ga kpọọ mmadụ onye ahụ gawa ịga eji ebe Ogechi nọ ụlọ ọnọ voice gị everything ịnọkwa na-aka eri na-akpọkwa m aha but ịnọ na-aga eji anyị ebe Ogechi nọ but ya wuru gị na gị pụta play word because unu na-achọghị unu ga-play ya against somebody. But even you be calling me, even you insulted my mother, you are insulting me. I've never removed such thing and placed it on my page. Iputagina akpọmnwaanyị oruru ọbara ụmụ nwanyị, you be calling this kind of name. Asị m otu unu so were nọrọ kwoku unu kwugide m elulala ga-emegide unu. I swear to Chileke na Keremuno. There's one thing you people don't understand about Mariam. Mariam is this kind of person. Ichwa Mariam ga-enwe problem. Ime Mariam chụọ akwa gị ị ga-enwe problem. Ichwa m ga-enwe problem. That is my nature. You cannot say Mariam is your problem and remain the same. You can never. When you say I'm your problem, ị ga-enwerịrị nsogbu. And it's happening. It's happening. You guys are seeing it. I'm an Igbo lady like you people. Oh, hey God. You guys are just too wicked. This is wickedness. That's why njide mmadụ under the authority ngejigide gị made him careful give her prison. And ịba prison ahụ fụta ịba prison fụta mgbe ahụ gị reset your brain. Ịpụtazie na social media ndị mmadụ na-eji nja gị ga atụgidewe ndị mmadụ ashị gị esi mba ma ọ ga-ekwuwe ihe eji gị esi mba. Otu I've learned a lot of lessons na social media. And enwegodiri mistake mere na social media, I would never repeat it again. That's why I've learned that is the strongest willpower I'm jagging on social media now. Onwe he ga-akpọgide m aha m tụpụrụ gị ọnụ. Onwe he ga-emegide m atụpụrụ gị ọnụ so that mkpọrụo gị law inwe ike ịpụta n'aka m. And this is what is happening. It's playing. All of you come out tonight na-akpọkwa m aha. Unu ga-akpọgide m aha except unu ga-atọ obodo oyibo. But unu lọtaghala Nigeria. Unu ga-enwe. Unu ga-akpa ya threat. But when you come out and put my picture, say, ịnara nwunye mmadụ, you're sleeping with nwunye mmadụ. Ya wụkwara na onye sleep with me, ahụdịla m ihe ọma. Ya wụrụ na just nọgide gị pụta ka ịta na-eshi image m. Gị were m picture somebody that has never seen. Awụ nwunye mmadụ has never seen. Even has never seen otu mpata m shacha ma ọfọkwa ịbịa were ahụ ya tinye on what nonsense. Ya wuru na such thing has never happened. Ma onye kwuru ekwu ma onye na-ewepụta picture m ma ndị bupụtara ebupụta unu ga-atagide ahụhụ unu when the ahụhụ unu feel unu na-eme enjoy but number one ahụhụ unu ga-atagodiwo ka unu land onwe unu n'ime prison. Then I will be happy. Una wala ex-convict in this country. And the number two, country no. Embassy unu must know about this. That's the one. Unu no go get to give play here. Aneku American embassy. Amrala what she has been with Nigeria. Yeni no American embassy Amara. Unu gano Here unu metachara ya wuru nu ka unu make them because of me. American embassies unu niile ga-amata unu. Embassy unu niile, embassy ọbụla unu na except na country ahụ enweghị embassy. That's why I'm just unu hapụ m. I will not aga m ekote onye ọbụla because I've learned my lesson. I've learned my lesson. Enwe m ike ịga eko onye ọbụla. So onye ọbụla mmadụ na-ekwu, I will remain silent. I will remain silent. This is that silence. Unu ga-feel that na ọ gbaala ọsọ anya win anya atanishi ila atanishi image m ogi kere m ila atanishi image m by talking nonsense. Ịpụta gị like the boy was saying na akwụrụ ya ụgwọ ya na be. Anyway guys, please, you guys should take care. I'm not going to say anything related to this nonsense again. Why I even I say this because unu enye hem the audience can quote the main thing but I'm here and the way the whole thing was going and the stage it is and everything at a go. Because if I don't tell you people will keep working on propaganda. On ashikwa onye na shi so mụnwa onye ga-agwa unu everything. Mana, I'm not gonna say anything. I know since how many days una ababatawala na page m kono bia ahụ nke m ga-ekwu. I'm not gonna say anything. Hemma ụwa ahụ nke onye metere n'ishi ya. When I gave Ogechi the audience, I accepted the peace just because of her mother. Uno share eba, une share eba. Even when I became quiet, watching it, the next thing ya putakwa na ekukwe nnem. Ka na ekukwe mama na ekukwe nnem. She went too far. Na ekukwe nnem, na kana akokwa nnem. Unu no dey ya na play. No kwa na threat of life. Na unu ogbuhum. Ono mem nka. Ohun ebe m threat ya. Kama m kpọwara ya authority. And listen. Owe mena una si na na-eji police Interpol intimidate unu. It's not like that, oh. Nobody is intimidating anybody with Interpol. Number one is because most of these people, they are international citizens. They are not citizens of Nigeria. They reside abroad. And Interpol is an international police. Interpol is an international police. You can't be in America or Canada or Cambodia or Vietnam and be claiming that your First Amendment right is to come out and bully someone. No. Then our First Amendment right here is if you claim you reside abroad, we have Interpol, international police. That's why, amen, I will go and report them to the international police. Not ordinary, I don't go here counter police or local government police. No. Because you claim you are an international citizen, then you need to to come and answer Interpol. That's where the international police is. So that's it. So why are they always coming out and say, you are threatening me, you will be threatening us with the police, you will be threatening us with Interpol? No. I want you guys to be learned. If you guys don't know this, I want you guys to know about it today. Interpol is an international police. When you claim your First Amendment right is to bully people, harass people, is to, give China, Otam no today. When him gashi koromon in lelowa, Mgasho him gauge, gaga me when nonsense with anybody. Okay, like what? Like what? Then you sit down, you think you can tarnish my. Prepare yourself, oh. Get yourself ready. Get yourself ready because it's not all about coming to social media to rant, to be talking nonsense, to be fighting, to be abusing people. Under the court of law. Una ba prison. Ma unu the guilty. Unu ba prison the happy. Move deserve fulfilled. Maybe unu not prison to my satisfaction. Feel it, yes. Ogori nam choroke can forgive una. I cannot forgive you people on the way. Maybe before sentence una now. Unu mara here. Madam, face your husband and leave Igbo people alone. I am gonna block the hell out of you. Who are you to tell me? Am I not Igbo? Come on, Sheba Zuzu forces or Onyeri. Come on, Sheba Zuzu. The brave. You guys want me? You guys want to see this nasty this thing in me, and I'm not gonna give you guys that nasty. But Zuzuru ni Sheba Zuzu. Mhafu ndị Igbo jidekwa n'onye. I'm Igbo. So mhafu ndị Igbo jide onye. Many of you na-ezuzuru ga lụọ nwaanyị na obodo Igbo. Many of you are ga lụọ nwaanyị different places. So because na m lụziri onye Hausa, then onye Hausa awụzighị mmadụ. Mariam Babangida, ọnwụ onye Asaba ka ọnwụ Delta Igbo ka ọlụhụ IBB. How many of the northern governors lụchara ndị Igbo? Because una ahụ n'ihu akwụkwọ. Yes, because I like it. I love media. I love media, and I've been in media for years before mewe ihe agitation of Biafra. Okwe bunu no we mata onye nwu. Oge m nọrọ onwe m with that agitation of una ma onye nwu. Una mara onye nwu. So why are you telling me leave Igbo? Come on, Zuzufu. Why are you telling me leave ndị Igbo? Ila agwa m leave ndị Igbo. Agwara gị na nwa onye Hausa. Eyiri m gị onye Hausa. Leave ndị Igbo. Unu pụta unu na-akọ iri. Because I don't respond to you people. And you people will not push me to respond to you guys like this. So, my dear, I'm done talking to every one of you. Whatever you know about Ogechi on social media, if you guys want, believe it. If you don't want, don't believe. For me, I'm not going to say anything from my mouth until next time their program again. Yaro 1K views, I will say from A to Z, where how the whole thing and where it is today. Until next time. Man chokwa and don't know my cancer, man. In fact, I told them I'm not gonna talk anything online. No. Because you guys know me. I don't talk. I did not come out and talk anything until I had to like, okay, because of man say okay, kemudo. Y'all know mad him bam space kemudo. Yeah, my apology to my husband. May go she dim the apology. Go dim. Then we'll plan and sit down and think of how to work it out. Y'all na doje yeah they undertaking. Yeah, half my because for me, I got him jide you don't want jimeji ya happen. You know, but she said no. So what else? What else? All I know, nkonye le me ajishike. Unu si no wo imegide mmadu ibu unu di unu mma jishie n'ike. And now authority kpechi ikpe mu na unu ndị mmadu na pụtara na sho mu aka ha chọrọ iji were me akaja. Authority kpechi ikpe mu na unu ndị iche dị n'ala ga-ekpe mu ikpe mu na unu. Mmụọ na mmadụ ga-ekpekwe ikpe mu na unu. And the karma is a bitch. Ya na unu mere mu ka unu megide m ka unu kwujọọ m. Unu ga-anọ one day, you people will sit down at your comfort zone and say, child, ya mere nwaanyị megidere m ya. That's why I say authority, the law must prevail. Only the law agacha law ahụ. Then if it's true, we will know if it's lie. At some point, I'm like, let me go to Arushi. There, people were like, going to Arushi. If you go to Arushi, you can't go to police. But then, this is the fact. This is the worst thing. This is the worst thing. Like, like, okay, hi. I mean, some people like, and then we quite the thing like reality, like truth. That's why I'm just here. You know, Ogechi mere nkunu mere nka unu pụtara na-ekwu odukashi unu kwuru togide all the worse than nkunu the worst karịa ihe Ogechi mere. That's why I'm just here. I can even forgive Ogechi, but if people I cannot forgive you people. So you guys should take care and sleep well. You don't expect me to come back here. I don't know when I'm gonna come and do this again, but all I'm gonna say to you people, Mariam, onye ọla ga-anata ụgwọ ya under the court of law ka mma police court, that's it, international police. Ihe a m kwuru sef na ihe a m kwuru nnọhị a na-ekwu anwụọla m anwụ ebe m na-ekwu ọkwa ihe ndị mmadụ Chineke na-ekere ga-anọrọ na live program na-eti a na-ajụchi ndị ala etidi ihe na nna bụkọnụ ndị ala eti ihe na ahụ ọdịkwadị ka onwe ihe ọzọ mmadụ ga-anọ na live program na-eti ebe ọ na-ekwu mmadụ ibe bụkọ ndị ebe skaf m nọ kegwụrụ so na ezigbote ike gwụrụ m nwa na ndụ ezigbote ike gwụrụ m ha ma ọ ka ga-enweta m nsogbu myself. Nna biko Chimo emere a ga-akọ akwa bọọdụ start from Kingsley Huyo onye ọshọgịrị onye iberibe onye na-anị ndị eriere oduka ndị idiot a ga-eme na ogori na m chọrọ ime accept na apology m sa ana m emezi accept useless people m ga-ban gị from here na oduka ndị iberibe ndị ganga Ogechi a na-abịa ezuzugharị ndị ganga Ogechi a na-abịa ezuzugharị ọta onye ahụ na-ezuzu na udu ya na ya ogori na m chọrọ ime any apology accept nlechi ụdị ya amasị ana m emezi anyway ga-ada ya ada. Let's see the end of whole thing. Akwa uduka ihe unu na-ezuzu go and drink water and drink tea and the tea Ugomma gave you bye oh nemo Jennifer akwa onwe mgbe ịkpọga m na ị nọ Nigeria bịa I refuse to ịma nwere ịma na imegidere m so that was why I did not see you ya wụ na ọ gị nwasị Ogechi that time na fight kwa m ya kwa na ị gaghị too far like that otu ị bịara nwanne nwaanyị ka otu ị bịakwara na Abuja m na aga but I decided to dodge because ịhụnanya mụ ahụ mmadụ onwụdị ihe mmadụ mee m ọ na-adịkwa m n'obi anụgo life on na onwụdị ihe mmadụ mee m dịtị na-adị m n'obi ọ da apụ so until kwa Chineke ewepụ ya n'obi m so yeah, that is it. So but it's good. Muna ga ejizi ihe anything. Muna ga hụkwa n'ụzọ anyị ga-ekene. I've let go, forgiving you. That's it. But biko na unu hafụ m, ana m ekpeziri unu ya mkpe. Hafụ na m aka. Ndị mmadụ hafụ na m biko na unu hafụ m. Case nọkwa on now. I don't want to say anything. Mpụtakwa na ahụkwa ka aka na-ekwukwa m. Even m sigodi m decide isi okay ka ahapụ ihe ndị a ka onye ọla na ọrụ onwe masịzi ana m ahapụ the more unu ka nọkwa na-ekwu m mmadụ ka nwụ. I don't know why you people felt that ihe unu ekwu m I'm used to it, but then I'm sure that na I may feel where somehow sometimes unu ga show wash, but then I'm used to it. Ahụla m 99 n'aka Ogechi. I've seen it all n'aka Ogechi. So onwezi ihe a ga-ekwuzi m now garden ka anything no. But ke ihe a na-akpa ya but nke this set of people mere I swear that one would carry anything, in the sense that this is just a pure lie. This is just a lie. This is strictly blackmail, tarnishing of someone's image. Hey, unu kwugidekwa m ụgwọ n'elu ụwa unu ga-amara na Nigeria nwere law. Nigeria nwere law. Unu ga-ama that Nigeria nwere law. Sorry, adịghị ya until ekpechi ikpe ka awụkwa ikpe a ga-ekpe ikpe a na-ekpe ekpe ya onwe ka awụkwa ikpe a ga-ekpe ekpe ya donkey years. No. Nke a wee ikpe a na-ekpe ya na-ekpecha within a short while ekpela ikpe a ga-ekpe ka ikpe ndị ọcha ha na-ekpe ikpe 100 years aka na-ekpe ikpe ndị ọcha arenji onye atụ kọtụ kpakpakpa ekpele ya ọzi ụdị ikpe Nigeria na-ekpe now. Don't tell me I should not make this mistake. Nobody should tell me I should not make this mistake. All the ogum loro onwe onye support them in anything. Kama a ga-ashide m nne well done. Ọwa na-ekwukwa m na-aga. So nobody will tell me what I should do. Let everybody just put eyes. Let everybody just put eyes and see. Nobody will tell me what I would do. Even when I don't want to forgive, and I say forgive. Even when I want to forgive, and I say don't forgive. So that is it. All these people, I'm not doing anything to please anybody on this social media. I've never done anything to please anybody. I don't know you people don't know me. I've never done any. I won't do kanda kuraka ride on. No, I don't do that. That's why none of you, I did not plan with any one of you when I gave the mother the audience. When the mother pleaded on her behalf and said, okay, mommy, Ozola. I told her, mommy, it's okay. I gave mommy 19, and the I gave mommy 99. I agreed. In fact, I agreed. Let me and her make the peace. But the peace, I won't or anything. No, the peace is, let the authority know about this. I'll put it in writing. I will not call your name again because I'll call her again. It will be a problem to her. But yeah, Jackie, I may be editing. Even when I was silent, Nechiako made the video. Y'all know, I mean, Uche dia na ihe ọ na-eme. Oto ọ nọ na dark, unu ọ na-egwakwa n'ihe oziokwu. Most of these people na-apụta na-asị ya right their own. Ọwụgodi nwanne unu nwaanyị, unu ga-ekwe ka ọ na-eme this kind of a thing. Instead ọ ga-apụta yiri proper akwa, mee proper apology biko nne m. Anyị niile ọkwa na ụmụnne, no matter what, gbaghara m. Emejọrọ m gị, yes. Gịrị onwe gị, one way or the other kwa, imejọkwara m, ngwa gbaghara, ma mgbaghara kwana gị. You know, there's a way to talk. At least, nwere kwani the apology here na-egoshi di m ahụ ya. Sikwa n'oke, ngwa, no problem. Yebekwani ishi gbaghara like. But ya ka anọrọkwa na dark. Nọrọ na dark kana akọji. Nyo na akọji do to share my apology. N'ọkwa na dark ị nọ ebe ile ma apology karịa ekwukwe ụmụ Igbo, karịa ekwukwe other set of people. Or will take shame. Ya compose onwe me proper apology. Apologize ya ụmụazịa obuliga. Then nke aga esetụlụ ihe niile ya eti undertaking. Ya ga oro onwe ma na oro onwe m agachakwana m ịkpọ ya aha. But she refused. Nọrọkwa na ndị ya na-ekwu nne nke m. Then abịakwa some people are na-asị na-intimidate ụmụ Igbo. Even I'm watching a lady ya na-asị kpọrọ m police. Call police for me. Nne akwajidere m video gị. I have your #1 video where ebe ibogodoro m allegation. Na watch gị till I will get another thing. Police ahụ na-achị mkpọrọ gị the police. Onwe ebe ahụ m nọ wee kinapụ, can let me make kinapa ma agbachi gị. Onwe ebe ahụ m nọ wee kinapụ ụmụazị gị wepụta ya. The other man anọrọla ebe ọ nọ na call police for me. Anọ m Nigeria, kpọrọ m police. Unu ga-anọkwara even mụ achọghị m ịga police. Achọrọ m onwe onye chọrọ ịga police. Ọwụ unu nwa n'obodo oyibo, maybe unu enwe aka ọrụ, onwe ihe na-akpa unu nri unu na-eri free, mmiri unu free, everything free. Nke anyị na Nigeria, ọkụ a na before gị mụ ọkụ, ị ga-akwụ ụgwọ ọkụ. Ị nweghị ka ị ga-azụ phone credit. Phone la nọ a na-ere credit. Go down here. Where the card credit? Here. when here credit had ya all your money ama m unu nọrọ ebe ahụ na oke nriju afọ a na-eme unu na-ezuzu ezuzu onye nzuzu chere echi ịkpọrọ onye polisi ma ichebiri ọlọta Naịjirịa ga-akpọrọ ya ndị uwe ojii onye a na-eme ndị Igbo intimidate unu hafụ m aka o adị m akọ n'ubi onye ọbụla onye akọzila n'ubi unu a na-akwa anụ ihe hafụ m aka o I dey tell una now Mona leave me yes social media is a place unu chọrọ unu na-ekwu m ekwu every day. It's okay. I agree. I accept it. Unu na-eme it's fine with me. But onye ebozila m ebube just to tarnish my name. Ịbata Nigeria nwee police chụarịwa gị. The number one enwe m the capacity because I have the money. M ga-eji chata moto were police na-etu gị. Yes, I'm not adara m ọkpa. So unu nọ n'ọdị a na-efili no right unu ka unu megide unu lọta Nigeria nwere ego nwere chata moto kpọọ police etutu unu abịa anya abaiga court and court nke m unu court niile a na-aga wụkwa court say 1 month 3 months adị m eme uduka court anybody mụ na ya nwere case ya war from the international police anyị ga-ekpe ikpe as in ke shi ekpe ikpe court obodo oyibo mụ na unu agaghị eme anything. Mụ na unu agaghị eme anything ekpekwere ikpe 1 year. It's a lie. Ikpe mụ na unu ga-ekpewu ikpe a ga-ekpe within some months ekpechala ya. Unu ga-anọ Nigeria mụ na unu na-ekpe ikpe. Anyị kpecha ya onye ikpe mara ya agawa prison. So unu hapụ m aka biko unu. And as for anything Ogechi's case, as usual, you guys know I don't talk about her case. I only came out to talk about that one. Mgbe ahụ were video. Ama m ndị nwa na-aga enye video ha na-aga enye ndị ntapu. Mpụtakwa gwakwa all these things. Ihe aga help gị. Another thing mgbe ahụ mmanya gwachara m nkwerecha ya ka apụtakwa na-ekwukwe mma nke m. But yakwa ma detail of everything from the beginning ihe gbasatara case Ogechi onye ọla mmepere ọnụ gwa onye ọla unu hụrụ pụtara na-abịa ekwu case Ogechi wa onye ngwara ihe gbasatara case against Interpol I'm not talking about any other department. Ihe ọla gbasatara case Ogechi about Interpol onye ọla unu hụrụ pụtara na-ekwu ya maybe the person I tell him this is what is going on. If I don't tell you, you don't know because it's my case. It's nobody's case. And nobody has ever helped me on this case. Nobody has ever given me 1 naira. Nobody has ever assisted me. Nwa onye na-akpọ na ashimonne I anọ na case and gị nwa ka a na-ebuli, gị nwa ka a na-eme akaja, gị nwa ka a na-ekwu. Nne keke isa manage henda, gị nwa jikwe case, gị nwa ka a na-emegide, gị nwa ka a na-ekeke how you go, how you feel, how you keke isi ebidi, keke isi nọrọ. Onwere onye na-akpọ dem na-ajụ m anything. Everybody left me, abandoned me, hapụ m ka a na-ekwu m ka a na-ebuli m. Then erute ugbu a na mmadụ apụta na-abịa unu ama na ihe ndị a niile unu na-emegide m na-eme onwe ebe dị tin na-asụ. The more you people are doing that to me, the more m kwechiri chiauru m Ogechi ọ ga-azarịrị authority. Ya zọ authority otu ọla echi wee kpete authority la ya ka ọ dịra. What is my scarf doing na Kingsley head? I am that back again now. Kingsley neck. Explain this woman. No, you only address them well. I would have tell you how that scarf got to his neck. Yes, but you did not even address the. You did not even put up your question in order. You were like, what is your scarf doing on Kingsley neck? Explain this woman. You only say madam or hajia or please, what is it? I mean, in a proper manner, courtesy, demand. You only the question. I would have tell you people how that scarf got to his neck, but you didn't. So it's something in who go near and on our neck here. It's nothing. So all the in the natural hand to get them ashi Mizreya was something, because I don't even know. Nah, fact, it's not even an issue. I did not see it as anything. Kingsley is this kind of person. Gina Kingsley Surugodi. Anyway, it's unfortunate that this whole thing happened. But initially, I see Kingsley as my kid brother. To be honest with you, I take Kingsley as my brother. Like, one name, oh, I take him like, that's why even the whole thing, I'm having a very soft spot for him. But then, he really went too far. Why lying? For what reason? Why Ogechi to Ash? This is somebody I just take my as in. Onya were ka one just because I throw me out. Even our last born Todreya. Kingsley, I see no Kingsley. I follow Kwenka Kingsley, I follow Kante. I see Kingsley as my kid brother. But it's very, very unfortunate that now Kingsley let Ogechi na kata about ya wurumo. I don't know. That's life for you. It's okay. And this person, in my whole life, Mama Kingsley me tell up to like 3 times or 4 times. Maybe it should be 3 or 4 times. In my whole life. And that's Kenyana where that's that place they took that place he took that place he mentioned in a hotel. I invited him. That place is Blue Cabana. My children were having a birthday over there, birthday party there. So he came all by himself, and I ordered things for him. Got you birthday. So I see, when you invite a Igbo brother like you, I want to as only Igbo one name and semi state. So it's nothing. I didn't see it as anything. Like he came. That day he was doing live program, eating what I ordered for him. No, see, in a live program. Yes, no joking, no problem. I'm like, in a live program. He was like, no, it's okay, it's fine. Okay. Get to check on him. Cause I already come just happy only him. So brother there. Now I use my phone, not knowing that and he's always a happy person. Like I say picture before so I think the same person he is, like we have picture together, so I went him for it. But it's my greatest surprise, I made him no post through that and guy there in a hotel. That place is called Blue Cabana. Got there, this is hotel. This is me and Mariam just and Kingsley, since the last time I spoke with Kingsley, I don't, even throughout Ogechi's case, I've never spoken to Kingsley. I don't talk to him. I don't speak to him. I can't remember when last in my whole life I spoke to him. Okay, I think I spoke to him period of burial empire. Before the burial or period of that time. You guys should imagine that was the last time I spoke to him. So I wonder where all these things is coming from. This thing, I will not lie for you people. This thing hurted me more than Ogechi Mariam. That this Transcorp issue, this is somebody, okay, let's hang out in Transcorp, and we all ended inside the reception there. He took some drinks, I took water, we had 1 or 2 discussions, I left. In fact, from that place to the Transcorp, I came to my laundry. I brought my clothes to laundry people. I'm like, okay, I'm in the laundry. I came to drop my things. Are you around the city or where? Just okay, come, let's hang out. We now went to Transcorp. I took only a sip of water. Then we do some discussion on that reception. That place we were sitting, we left. So the process, maybe he decided to hang my scarf and put picture because it's a designer scarf, and Kingsley wears designer. He loves designers, so I think he was. That's just it. That's just it. This is what you people are hearing now. That's it. Kaga. So I never knew he was even these two privileged that we sat together. We talk. I don't know, that's always in here. Ogechi, I got a call with somebody that they paid him to do so. Anyway, it's fine. Oh wow, Gonya metre nishia. Imemma nishigi, a major bemge, a koja bemge, a make them bemge. They decide you make them to this extent. Just because Yauruna, I distance myself from you, these things will not play. But then it's fine. I'm happy. Going on a metre nishia. Here on a mother metre no one nishia. I'm happy. At least you guys have known. Yeah, I say quo for months. You guys have known a little bit of how the whole thing happened. Man, I am sure you will know. Mboge said, the case is ongoing now. Mboge said with these same people who no feel when I'm happy, no na to because everything is said. People are saying arrest Kingsley. You will take the Kingsley may arrest now. Highest or no, a day or 2 days. Ebe lawyer, ya gawakwa eti anyị na court. That is it. Then court where be oku gabies. And you know to equal back of you people's mind. Court ọbụla mụ na na aga ekpe ikpe anyasị ikpe ndị obodo Igbo. Aga ekpekwe ya, aga ekpekwe ya 10 years aka na ekpe ya, 2 years aka na ekpe unu na atụkwa ashi. So I'm going to end this here. All I'm going to say, ihe ọla gbasatara case Ogechi, onye abịala ajụ, and I'm not interested. But if you want anything, get in touch with me. These two people I mentioned, or if you know you have any case with Ogechi, just get in touch with me. I've told you people this thing since. I won't talk about here before. But anyone who feel I'm gonna here and call them and I'm be up now. Muna had them more phone here. How I name and call them in a hapota, baby, Akoya, na Koya. I don't remember like that. So, but all I know, what all I hear Shaga, the world will still know, the world will still hear it, and onyo alagejanya, and with what is happening, onyo actually moro here, ya moro here. Ashokwa mu na ekula, unu na eku mana unu ebozila m ebubo. I've told you guys this thing. Unu ebozila m ebubo ahụ mụ na unu ga-eji nwee problem. Ya unu na-abịa kọchara m ọnụ, kwuchara m nke aga. Ka ọ dị iche nke aga. Ụta na-asị na m na many things. Ị na-ịwa ashawo, ị na-eboro akwa, ị na-eboro for gold, ị na-eboro this thing. Unu kwue m ndị ahụ. But nke unu ga-ekwugide. Kwuzie nke mụ na unu ga like somebody is really somebody is now pushing himself so serious. Emem giji, emem gede, emekitubemgi. I kutube him against you. Apobe mmadụ na phone na m na-ekwu against you. Emegide him bungi. My own offense was coming close to you. Okay, I'm not going close to anybody again. Because I'm not chokwa evidence. Ma ọkwanị Ogechi na-ekwu m iwe na-ewe m. One way or the other, I will come and air my mind through the person or whatever. Echina, he feel somebody after na threat, him ge ku basrage, him ga ko basrage, him ge ku basrage. What the hell? Whatever anybody want to say about me, the person should go and say it. I will not blame anybody. I will blame myself because I allow myself to come close to some kind of set of human beings with my integrity, my everything. I bring myself so low to some people. That's why to this set of people. That's why reaching again, they'll be talking shit about you. Yaurundi ndi uche ha. Na live program. Yaurundi uche ha zuru ezu. They will not, even when you come to them as a friend, as a brother, or as anything, they will not even come and start saying that nonsense. But this set of people, you come across them, they'll be like, they are looking for something to record. They are looking for something. That's why I say I'm anybody who on social media. No, don't call me. Don't come to me. I'm not gonna come to you. So please, ya maru no ma. But anything against Ogechi against you guys know Mankembo or whatever. I'm not interested coming online to say this, but I'm gonna tell you people today. There are people in this whole life who forgive. Come on, God forgive. I'm forgive we ekwensu. And when we can, when God forgive we ekwensu, but not them. Because when you look me from head to toe, it's not we made Jim Kichare Tanishi. The only forgiveness God forgive one dao, no be more, okwi wo fear no be more, time wo for case Ogechi no be. The only thing a yola ekperi ikpe mana ha na court. Ashi that na the kwele nkele imetre le ya offense ya nkele wo offense ya that's the only way. But any other thing, forgiveness are there. So because jishie nike ihe ọlụnụ na-anụ about Ogechi on social media nke dị unu mma unu believe nke adị unu mma unu believe but aga m asị unu na m ga na-apụta na-apịa ekwu this or ekwu that, but then next m ga-apụta here unu chọ ka m kwuo anything unu mee ya 1k views, then I'll analyze everything for you people. Because ihe ọ na nwere case ihe ọ na mpụtara here gwu unu ya that is it. And my lovely super brother, intelligent scholar, yes, muna intelligent scholar now work hand to hand on this case, in the sense that I always relate to him what is going on, and him himself ochokwa ya gakwa o nwere access to the ebe case ya no, o nwere access to go to them, o nwere access to, they know him, o nwere access to go and find out from them, o nwere access to, because yes, we went with him, they know him, all of them. I'm talking about my own case, so I'm not talking about their case in them. So o nwere access to, so if he wants, he can brief you guys much on how fine and good. So guys, ya maru no ma ụmụ Igbo, anyị niile wu ndị Igbo, nwee onye Igbo nke furu iche. Ya nke m jikago dị mma amụrụ m n'ugwu Hausa, wurukwa onye Igbo, na-anụ asụsụ Igbo, na-anụ asụsụ Hausa, na-anụkwa asụsụ different almost 5 asụsụ na Nigeria, na-anụkwa Platenchi. So that is it. Nke m ji wee dịrị iche. So ya wuru na unu efile na mụnwa awụhụ. In fact, awụgide m onye Igbo, wugide onye Igbo, nna m echie ya eze ndị Igbo n'ugwu Hausa here. Nna m one of eze ndị Igbo that I don't want to mention it in the public, mana ndị mara m na ga-ama ihe m na-ekwu. Nna m na onwe ya chiri echichi n'ala Hausa here. Ọ ya wee eze ndị Igbo in a particular one of the states in those days na Nigeria here. So that is it. Okay, yamaru no ma, I'm not an awuromo onye ajuru aju, awunkwanu mo onye he onye Igbo. So ile feeling na Igbo nke gị kakwa Igbo nke m na waste kwe time, because abịagodila not I stand them karịa gị, abịakwala ala Igbo I stand ya ma stand ya. So onye ọ dịzi ma ahọrọ, onye agwa ya ka ma ahọrọ. Ị bịara not ma stand ya karịa gị, even ị bịara ala Yoruba ma stand ya karịa gị, because ebikwa m Lagos la anụkwa Yoruba. So that is it. Then ị bịakwala na ala Igbo m stand ya, agwa gị ka mma, ahọrọ gị agwa ma akakwana ma. So unu abịakwala here na akọrọ m nonsense nwaanyị a nke ihụkwa onye Igbo karịa m. Even self icheck Igbo nwodi self asụsụ bai when ana m asụ Obosi, ana m asụ Anambra, ana m asụkwa na Central Igbo. Ihe m na-asụ drill Ihubian real asụsụ real asụsụ ọka igwe. So more I know they carry una this thing near me because ya the one come zike Kamifa FM zike ishi na wam I didn't used to this, but then imara na imekidere m onwekwaghị ị ga-akọga n'ụwa mgbaghara gị. The only thing ga-eji gbaghara gị ihe ọ na mụ na gị bara court, anyị baa court, nhụ gị na court, hụ onwe m na court, case began, then gị mara that na yes ị pụọla m n'obi, but any other thing enweghị m ike ya until justice will prevail. Ụwa onye metere nke ọ metere, case mụ na Ogechi ọ gọọmenti ka ọ dị n'aka, owu m ka ọ dị n'aka. Gọọmenti ya ga-enweta guilty ya gawa serve punishment enwetaghị ya guilty, ọ gbasara ya dị ụwa gbasara mụ na enwe m anything to talk about, but ihe mma alụọla m ike m, you know, alụrụ m lụọ ike m, and gị nwa na-apụta na-atagharị ọnụ every time Mariam justice, Mariam justice, Mariam justice, Mariam justice. In fact, I would have even blocking with as a few days ago when intelligent callers in Namhapo go Ogechi mana kando to Ogechi mana that give one knowing between them now carry will give one year use to somebody got waka now the kwebe Ogechi horn with your voice and everything. And then we send it and this send it that no more can send it and a phone because I'm an normal Ogechi case and the hammer no went up on a try Ogechi. I'm an tapo na achari Ogechi. I'm an tapo na achari Ogechi. Had you send the Aram that voice? That voice no run a phone. As that voice may play real. What him Ogechi can may play the voice out. Yeah, again answer. Then ye get as he case yabri. After the yak was zero no who is who. You know na ekwu Mariam justice na ekwu Mariam justice na akpọ Mariam justice nwaanyị oruru ọbara. Hey chim, it's okay, it's so bad. I not blame onwe the onye m na blame. I blame myself by ota I nọ na north here nọrọ mụ na ndị ugwu nọ onye Igbo ọla m hụrụ m wee ya azụ nwanne ụmụnne m anọ ha Abuja here. So someone then after the whole thing onye ọbụla ikpọketere nso as nwanne ma ọkwa na onye ọbụla hang around with him as in okay ihe ahụ adịghịzi matakwana m eru echi onye ahụ ewere advantage ahụ bụ oge ebubo dị iche iche tụgide gewashi kọwa sort of nonsense mba nka this thing onwe onye a wutara m onwekwa onye iwe ya na-ewe m only but giving someone privilege and the person pụta. Even when I said I'm no longer talking to this person, I just stay my day. Let it be. God ka matabughị m onye ewo before, just not wrong again, you know. Then the same person goes behind you talking about you. Gị nwa na-talk ihe onwe ofu ihe ikwesịghị ichefu one thing, you know, one thing you're not supposed to forget it. Icheghe echiche gbasara that one thing. Cheghe echiche. Even mgbe m na-eme onye a nwanne m, onye a bụ onye Igbo nwanne m, isi na nwunye gị nọ n'ụlọ. I had to ask my chef to cook. Ya lete nwunye gị buru nri m shiri from bem butere unu gị kọkwa ya n'akụkụ. Chere ma m ga-agbaghara gị.